Before proceeding to tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to place text behind the objects. So let's get started. First of all, I'm opening my image. Link of this image is given in the description of this video. Okay, now I am typing my text which I want to show behind this guy. So choose your text tool and type your text. I am typing res and my font is Nevis bold. Press T to choose text tool and double click on your text, and then press Ctrl T to open character panel. You can also open this character panel by going to Windows and choosing this character panel and choosing this character option. Okay, now I'm increasing the size up to 1030 and I'm increasing the kerning up to 320. Okay, and again double click to choose your text. You can change your text color if you want, like this. And now place your text like this. And now I want to remove the area of the text which are above this guy. So to do so, first of all, decrease the opacity and apply layer mask on this layer, on text layer. Now choose your brush tool. Make sure that your foreground color is black. Increase the size of brush a little bit by pressing bracket keys. And now when we apply brush on the layer mask with black color, it will hide the details of this layer. Let me show you. Now you can see that I am applying brush tool with black color and it's removing the details of this layer like this. And if you want to show the details of the layer, just click on this arrow and paint with white color and it will show you the details of the layer like this. So black hide the details and white show the details. Do the same for this part. Okay, now I am applying shadow little bit on the edges of this text. Create a new layer, choose black color and select brush tool and apply black color on the edges like this. Similarly here on this. Now the color is showing on the both text and image. I want to apply only on this text, so to do so I have to clip mask this brush layer. To do so, right click on your brush layer and choose create clipping mask. Now you can see that it's only showing on the edges of the text, but let me decrease the opacity. To if you want, you can apply layer mask on this layer, and you can also remove the part of the shadow if you want, like this. Similarly, if you want to remove details of the shadow, you can do easily. Even if you want, you can choose mode, apply multiply mode. Now this is before, this is after shadow. So you can see that we have successfully wrote our text behind our object. So that was the tutorial. So that was today's tutorial, that how to write text behind the object. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.